hustle, no drive. I'ma show you how to get your bands up. This how you do it right here, like that. Like this right here, right here. I'ma show you how to get your bands up.
New swag, new bag, don't care what it cost us. Old nigga hate cause I'm getting this money. I can tell that he mad cause he washed up. 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, boxed up. Private section, no, you can't talk to us. Shut the store down, can't shop with us. Germans got wings, niggas move like birds, but they still couldn't never come flock with us. Like Philly niggas can't come rock with us. Niggas hurt cause they see money stalking us. I'ma push my whole team through the end zone. They can try to stop us, but there ain't no topping us. And I peeped your bitch from across the room. No, she can't wait till I undress her. 7,500 in the messenger. Can't move around with none less. 1,700 got a rep for my gang. In my city, I'm a certified stepper. I was gone, now I'm back and I'm better. Old bitch still standing while I left her. Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? I ain't gonna lie, but you got me in the mood right now. Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, boxed up. New swag, new bag, don't care what it cost us. Old nigga hate cause I'm getting this money. I can tell that he mad cause he washed up. 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, boxed up. In that new spot, you ain't invited. Diamonds on shine, they blinded. No, I'm way too fly like a pilot. And your bitch want me, can't hide it. Now they all on my dick, wanna ride it. I can change up the scene on the climate. And I woke up this way, so I'ma die like this. My swag don't need the stylist. On a new planet, can't go down. Flexing on niggas, shit no fair. Hating on me, going nowhere. Hating on me, shit so well. Japanese denim my pants, oh yeah. Took me and trip out to France, oh yeah. Tell that bitch change all your plans, oh yeah. I can make that money dance, oh yeah. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Ain't gonna lie, but you got me in the mood right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now.
It might help if I unmute my mic. What's good, Nexus? Dak's not going to be here today. Alex should be here in a second. I think Jabs is going to pull up. So.
What's up,
there's
Jet?
Alex. What up, Alex? There's Alex. So, I'm going to switch to your thing. So if you share something, let me know. But yeah, Alex has all his levels marked out. I'm kind of marking out mine right now. Session highs and lows. What's up, Alex? What you been doing?
Not too much. I was away and I just got home right in time.
Perfect timing, bro. Perfect timing.
But yeah, I don't really have much. I have some nice longs on both NQ and ES.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I didn't check. Can you share your screen? Because I'm delayed on the live stream.
Yeah. I'm just looking at NQ right now. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, and share yours too, so that way you can go over your charts.
I did.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna pull yours up. And then, yeah. So now they can see my chart and your chart at the same time. I've been working on
I do the same thing.
layout. But yeah. I need to clear
I think
out
we're
some
going
of
to
these
get
levels
a
with-
few good opportunities over here in this zone.
Let's switch.
A few good longs after we close the gap. We have some demand
Oh
here,
my
and
gosh.
we have some confluences as well.
I don't know why in OBS it never keeps the Discord screen size the same. It's really annoying. There you go. Shit. There we go. All right. What were you saying? My bad.
So I was saying that I was looking at this zone like for a few longs. I feel like after we close the gap, we have a few confluences here, and we could get
Mm-hmm.
at least a bounce up. Like even if we go lower, I feel like we would make a lower high from this zone, and then I feel like this is a pretty big zone. Like even support resistance wise, you can see like it's the previous all-time high and all that, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to get some resistance, like there's some support in this zone. So these are like two long zones that I look for because I don't think we are going lower like today. And when it comes to shorts, bro, this is difficult because I don't like shorts on NQ here, honestly, because you're so far up
Yeah.
and I would need to see some weakness. But on ES, on the other hand, if we lose the daily open, we have bearish SMTs and we are also going to lose like a 2 hour. It's not a 2 hour. What is it? It was like a 30-minute or like a 45-minute fair value gap that we've
Mm-hmm.
been holding. Yeah, it's a 45. So if we inverse this fair value gap and we lose like daily open, we are also going to have VWAP behind us. And on a retest, I would look to short this all the way down to fill the gap. This is on ES. And this is like the only short that I see right now
Uh-huh.
because NQ looks way too strong.
Yeah.
And I would not short up here without some confirmations. And when it comes to gold, we have potentially some really nice longs
Mm-hmm.
on
Yeah.
gold from the range low. If we also have some demand around the 4K level. We have the psychological level 4K. If we tap and then we change structure, I would look to long it to the range high because again, I don't know if you saw that, but even after our long on Friday, gold never took Asia high.
Yeah.
And we never touched the range high again. So we have so much liquidity to the upside.
I
This
know.
should be like a perfect accumulation. And it's funny because I've been talking about this accumulation on gold for so long when it was barely a
Barely even.
range.
Yeah. Barely even formed.
Like we were still going down. We were not because if you remember, you were asking us like, are you going to long, blah blah blah, and I was like, no, I'm waiting for an accumulation here. So this accumulation here, if we get like a proper Model 1 or like Model 2, I think this will take us to like all-time highs again,
Mm-hmm.
or at least to the supply that we have above. But yeah, we have potentially very good longs on gold, and that's about it. We don't really have a lot. It's Monday. I'm not trying to risk too much today.
Yeah. No. Monday's just kind of like a game plan type of
Setting the
day for me.
tone.
Really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just kind of find your key levels and then wait for something after that. But the nice thing about this gold range is you have London, New York, and Asia lows from previous sessions that all haven't been taken,
Yeah.
and we're right there.
And
Like,
it's
there's
also
no
previous
reason why
week
we shouldn't take it. Yeah.
low.
Yep, exactly. Because New York and London session lows are the same level. It was during the overlap.
Mm.
So,
Yeah, I think we are going to get a nice reaction out of that.
yeah, I think we sweep those lows, tap into demand, and then I'm definitely taking a long from that. You might as well take a stab at it.
Mm. Well, yeah, I agree with that. But yeah, NQ and ES is not doing much, honestly. Like, I wouldn't take a trade now. I would
Yeah.
wait for more PA to develop because we don't really have enough. And when it
Yeah.
comes to Bitcoin, I finally hit my target that I've been saying the whole week last week, if you remember. I took full profit on my longs.
And that you've been in that long for a long time. That's the same
Yeah,
one, isn't
I
it?
was for like almost a week.
Yeah. That's
Tomorrow
crazy.
would be a week. Yeah. But yeah, I took full profit and it's crazy, bro. I took 8R on one trade and about 6R on the other. So that alone on because like I had two longs, but like on the same idea, I packed over 10 hours on that long.
Yeah.
So that was like a really good long for me. And now I'm waiting for shorts on Bitcoin.
Hell yeah. I'm just kind of marking out my gold levels right now because I feel like that's going to be such a good play.
Yo,
Oh, there's
Oh,
Jabs.
Jabby
What up,
Jabs.
Jabs?
what's good?
We're looking at gold right now. Gold's got some
Oh.
good levels.
Yeah, God wanted me to tell you to look at gold. So
Well, there you go, God. We're looking at gold.
he's probably lit right now. We were watching, dude. We were in there. Yo, Alex, I told you I'd have that shit bumping.
What shit?
The public chat.
Yeah, you're right. I haven't seen that much activity since I joined.
Dude, we were 10 deep in there at fucking 5:30 this morning.
We need to get
That's
Raven
crazy.
on the stream.
Yeah, Raven, I just talked to him for mad long. He's from Pakistan.
Yeah, no, Raven's a G. We need to get him in here.
That was pretty crazy though. Like
I'm about to DM him.
we were watching fucking we were watching videos of God's city in general in public a minute ago.
There we go. I DM Raven. Yes, we do trade NQ. We were just talking about it a second ago.
What's up, boys?
What's up?
Sup, Raven?
Man,
What's
we
up,
got
Jet?
everybody in here. What up, Raven? Good to have you, brother.
How you guys doing?
Doing good. Raven, if there's anything you want to talk about, I know you focus more on crypto, but if you want to talk about it, go for it. Share your screen. I'll pull it up. Because I know you've got some sauce
Good.
too.
Why can't I hear you on Discord?
You can't hear me on Discord?
That's
I don't
weird. I can hear you on Discord.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. I don't know if it.
Oh,
I
I
don't know if
have
I've
Jet
sent-
mute. Fuck.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
why.
You were on mute. Ah,
But yeah, Alex, I definitely agree on the gap fill long. I like that play.
Yeah, did you see it now?
Yeah, I see it. You got 15-minute demand right there. I like
Bro,
that
I
a
have a
lot.
crazy entry on BTC short.
Really?
Like a really crazy entry.
I'm curious
hope
to
it
see
goes
what
down.
what NQ does and the ES up here.
Where?
How do you trade these gaps?
Up at these highs.
Geo is live too.
Oh, that's the wrong thing. All right. You know what's funny, Alex? We have a 15-minute or no, a 30-minute bearish order block on ES, but we're above it. It's like untouched because we just teleported above it.
Oh yeah, we do. Well, either way, for me that whole PA is demand. So
Yeah.
like that entire, you can go on the 4 hour. That entire candle is like demand for me.
Yep.
Like I don't care where we go. Even if we bounce from the tippy top, I would still take a long.
Mm-hmm. think I have all my levels marked. Yes, technically that one.
But it looks like we're going to bounce from the zone.
Yeah.
And I was gonna entertain along, but we really don't have anything to confirm it.
Yeah, and it's like when you're at all-time high, like what do you even target? You know, it's not like you could target like a previous high or something, or like a sweep of liquidity anywhere. You're just kind of in your own world. Alright.
I still think we're going to take the high one more time.
I agree. And I would maybe even, if I see some things that I like, I might even take like a very
Yeah,
low
baby
risk,
long.
very low risk short at some point. Not right now. I'm not right
Short?
now. Not right now. Like if after we
But
take
like
the
if
high.
we take the high,
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, as for long actually doesn't look that bad. But I probably would have wanted in a little bit ago rather than right now.
yeah, we are in a well, I mean, we tapped a fair value gap and we are bouncing from it.
Yeah. I mean, 15 minute. If we stay around here, we'll get a 15-minute order block.
And we bounced
NQ.
from a 30-minute fair value gap.
Yeah.
Depending on how this moves, I might entertain along here to take the high again.
Yeah.
But we have 10 more minutes. I'm not taking anything yet.
Yeah, I'm not taking anything either.
I just long a crib.
On
What did you long?
No, I'm kidding. You guys take me so seriously.
Bro, that's something you would do.
I know. I was going to earlier this morning and I fucking missed it like a fucking idiot. So
I'm so happy to be out of longs.
Alex,
Yeah.
we're going up still, buddy. Hold on to the fucking roller coaster.
I'm holding on to anything, bro. I full TP'd.
I'm kidding. I don't know if we're gonna go up. I have no idea.
Raven, is there anything you want to pull up and show? You can share your screen if you want. You can talk about whatever you want.
I'm just looking at charts. Maybe I can show you my chart. Right?
Yeah, go ahead. It's gonna be a pretty short stream today. It's kind of just a Monday.
Wow.
We need to stream FOMC on fucking Wednesday, bro. That's what we
Oh,
Gio's
yeah.
Gio's gonna be on Wednesday.
So I'm basically trading SMTs nowadays. I'm getting good at it. So I took this BTC short right from here. So I marked this SMT level on 20th October. I said we might come here again to visit this area. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
So you got?
We
Did you have a
some good
limit or
appointment.
no?
No, I entered manually on the
Okay.
marketplace.
Gotcha.
It was somewhere here. So it's going good.
So that's your BTC short.
Yeah, I longed from here, 104,300,
Uh-huh.
and now I'm short from here. Let's see how
Hell
it
yeah,
goes.
bro. Hell yeah, bro. That's how you play it right there.
What is that box
Yeah.
above that you have marked? Is that just the fib level?
This one?
The yellow one, not the yellow one.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is an order block at some time
Oh,
frame, I don't know, but
okay,
this is
okay.
definitely an order block. Look around. Yeah, that's a weak OB.
I mean, I have it marked too, but I didn't know if it's your fib level because it's like right under the fibs, like between. So I didn't know if it's
Yeah,
like an order block or not.
it's just mixing with this fib level. So yeah, this is a strong zone.
Hmm.
But I do
That's what
not
I'm
think
looking
that
for.
we're gonna come up again here to sweep this and then come back down. I don't see it happening.
Yeah.
I think just keeping your chart simple.
Yeah,
That's
for
it.
sure. For sure.
Yeah, that's a pretty strong zone. You might get some reaction from here. So do you guys only trade futures?
I just over the weekend I opened a breakout account. I got a 10K breakout now, so I'll probably
Oh,
trade some Bitcoin here and there. I don't really do as much TA on Bitcoin anymore, but what I figured is if I get bored on the weekends, I can kind of try to scalp, and then I'll probably play some setups from like you, Alex, and Geo from the
cool.
Nexus.
Cool. I just think that we are in a reversal point. So my theory is just we're gonna pop up from here and sweep this high and then go down.
Yeah.
This makes sense to me.
And where is your Bitcoin target if that happens on USDT? How low is Bitcoin
So
going, do you think?
so we put this high on 17th October. So this was
Hmm.
our, I guess, long. So let's see 17th October. See what BTC is. What BTC was doing on 17th October. I think we put this low. Yeah. So I think we will see another SMT. Either Bitcoin will sweep this low or USDT. We will see. If we get a
Oh,
drop from here, then yeah, this is what I'm looking for.
Nice.
I marked this SMT level for a reason.
yeah, I saw that before. You had that
Yeah.
marked out, like marked for a while.
Yep.
Bro, the Nexus lately has been so up. I don't know, I just feel like everything's been going crazy in there.
I
Everybody's been
think
killing
this
it.
week was tough. If
Yeah,
I had not been
last
in a
week was rough.
position since last Friday, I
Mm-hmm.
would have lost money.
Yeah.
100%. But I was already in a swing long, so I didn't touch the market. I said, okay, I'm fine. I'm fine this way. I don't
Yeah.
have
Yeah,
to touch the market.
I did the same thing. I longed Bitcoin and I held the position. I didn't touch anything on crypto.
Dude,
Same, same.
my last week was rough too. I ended the week like 200 something in profit, which isn't terrible, but
I
like you
guess
said,
my
that
long
came from
idea for NQ would have worked out. Look at it.
like literally
It's going up.
my best trade was like that news trade, and gold was like $400. That was it. Nothing
I
really
have
crazy.
like a very hard time with gold, man. I think BTC as compared to gold is easy, but
Yeah.
gold is really tough for me.
Yeah, gold can be tough for sure.
I love
We can
gold.
boogie. Oh,
Even the White Phoenix concepts doesn't apply on gold. It moves very differently than
Yeah.
Bitcoin and the whole crypto market.
TCZ.
How long have you been trading, Jet?
Like 2020.
Oh, 5 years.
But granted, those first few years were nothing special. It's not like I was making money in the beginning.
Yeah, I think it's a story for everybody.
I was I
Everybody
was the
lose.
I was the classic BitBoy crypto watcher who was trying to long every market cipher green dot.
Me
So,
too.
Oh,
Nah, that shit's fun though,
getting
bro.
rinsed.
Ah, that's funny.
Hey, that was a good time though, bro. I'll tell you that. It was a good time. At least I was making money
Yeah,
on
it was.
spot back then. I don't really have much spot right now.
If you really care.
I don't know
Bro, I
why,
lost
but this
so much
cycle
money when
I
I
didn't do
came into
spot.
crypto, but when I came into crypto, it was around in like on $19,000 or $20,000.
Yep.
So I lost just so much money on this. On this, I can already tell you that. Then there I joined White Phoenix and Geo. And then
Yeah.
I got really better in couple of months.
Yeah.
Then I started making real profits.
Dude,
So yeah, it has been very fun.
whenever I first started looking at like Bitcoin, and like the first time I ever bought Bitcoin, granted I just put $20 in because I was broke, but it's like 10,000. It's like me and my boy. It was like 2020, right around COVID. Bitcoin was like $10,000. We were buying like stocks and Bitcoin and Ethereum and shit.
So you sell? You sold everything?
Yeah, I don't have any spot right now. I don't know why, but
Ah,
my spot kind of got fucked up this year. I was kind of chasing meme coins at the beginning. I sold a lot of spot to do this meme coin shit with Dak, and I mean we've told the story like 100 times, but basically I
That
made
goes up.
yeah
They didn't fucking take profit.
Dak was up 40K, I was up 20K, and yeah, nothing to show for it.
wow.
Nothing to show for it. That all
They didn't
changed
sell,
really
bro.
fast.
They thought it
They
was
round
going to
tripped it.
Bro,
they
up
thought it
and
was going to
down,
a million K.
up and down. No, bro, I was like ready to take profit soon, but I was like I had a number and I was like, okay, I'm gonna take it out here, and then um yeah, then I dumped.
Pissed
But
about that trade.
but yeah. I mean, I had like 2 Ethereum when I started in that cycle. It was 2020. I had 2 ETH. I made like 6K off of that.
That's not bad, man.
Hey,
But yeah, I kind of got rid of a lot of my spot for the meme coin shit, blew that, and then didn't really want to buy in at the prices. So
It makes
yo,
sense.
I just waited. I was like, I'll just trade until next year. I'm gonna buy a big spot bag next year though, like next fall. I'll buy a big spot bag.
Bro, I
big
don't
un.
like, I don't know. Yeah, what's up? Who's speaking?
Jabs.
Me.
Yeah,
Did you see my thing on Cardano? Like, did you see what I was looking at, or am I
yeah, I
ridiculous?
saw. Yeah, I saw. That was an auto block. Right there. This one, you were looking at this auto block.
Yeah, but it was on the hour. See,
Oh, yeah,
that's
it
why I
was an
was.
auto.
That's why I wanted to fucking long it.
But the problem with me is that I would have never longed it. The reason for that is wick or this model 1 distribution. Already you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe one more high, then we go down, maybe. My bias is today is for shorts.
I know. I wasn't saying this was a swing long here. You know, I
No,
was
that's
just
just
saying.
a scalp. For scalp, this was really good. For scalp, this was good.
Yeah, I just fucking missed it. I'm pissed.
You were busy watching Indian vlogs, man.
I know. You guys got to do this with me. Like that's what we're doing for the rest of the day. I'm not kidding. Me and Raven and well, it was really me and Raven. God was kind of just there. But me and Raven and God were watching videos of hometown in the thing,
I'll
and we were
show you
talking
my
about
house. I will find it on Google. Next time I'll show you my old
we
house.
okay, yeah, I'm interested. I just think it's cool. Like I don't, you don't see shit like that here ever.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
obviously. Because Pakistan and India is a third world country. You don't see these kind of areas in US or UK.
Well, Jabs
I
also
live in
lives in the
UK
middle of the
now.
woods
It's a
too.
complete different country.
Yeah, like now that like I've seen that, it way looks like there's nothing where I live. Nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Like, do you remember when I put the little guy in front of my driveway? and like did it like a circle, you couldn't see a fucking thing.
Yeah.
You go in
Yeah.
Delhi, guy, everywhere, shit's everywhere. That's so crazy to me, bro.
It's all over the place.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. I'll be right back. Hold on.
I really want gold to sweep these lows, Alex.
Man, I
What?
shared this chart on Soul. I should have shorted Soul instead of BTC, instead of Ethereum.
Bro, Alex, what do you think of the new layout for the stream? Do you think it's better?
It's dope. Yeah, I love it.
Okay, cool. Chat, let me know what you think, if you fuck with this or not.
I don't know, man. I think the crypto is a bit easier than futures and forex.
I think it's definitely easier than Forex because you don't have to worry about lots. I've personally had better luck with futures, but to be fair,
Bro, lots and contracts are the same thing.
I've just been more locked in with futures than I was when I was trading crypto. So that could literally be the only difference. Like,
I think you think crypto is easier just because you traded more crypto.
yeah,
So if you were given a choice between futures and crypto, what would you choose?
right now I'd choose futures. I'm going to kind of dive back into trading crypto because that's what I started with. Futures is new to me, so I'm gonna kind of go back to trading like probably just Bitcoin. Like I'll probably
So
not even touch altcoins, but
yeah,
I'm
I
gonna
think
try to
I
get back
lost
to it.
money when I was trading altcoins, but I have a very good win rate with BTC.
Yeah.
So I mostly trade Bitcoin.
See, Morty says fuck no. He said fuck no, crypto's harder.
I don't think so, man.
I just feel like futures has so much more like money in the market to
Like in
where
and
it
out.
respects it respects my TA more. Like on
So
a
you
smaller
started,
level.
but who did you follow when you were switching from crypto to futures?
Geo.
Okay.
Because futures is very recent. Like I've been doing futures for like I don't know, like I don't even know, Alex. How long have we been doing this shit? Like a month, maybe.
No, you're doing it for more than that.
Maybe
Maybe 2,
2.
3 months.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
2.
I know
I'm bad
Dak
at
was
keeping track
trading
of time.
futures in September, so.
Yeah, Dak did it before me. Dak's the one that told me to
Oh, you jumped
switch.
after? Okay, then
Yeah.
I know Dak is doing it for like 2, 3 months.
I think I'm maybe somewhere between 1 and 2.
I can tell you the difference if you want, because I'm trading actively both.
Yeah,
I
go
feel like
for it.
you cannot really trade futures the same way because they move differently when it comes to percentages, and futures has so much volume, they don't need to build so much liquidity for it to move. So you're not going to see those huge curves that you see on crypto, or like if you see them, it's like just super high time frame, because you already get from one low, you get way more liquidity than you get from crypto because the volume is a lot bigger, the market is way bigger. So you have, but like the main concepts, the basics, like they're pretty much the same. Like you just have to get used to how it moves. And I
Yeah.
don't think one or the other one it's easier. I think like it's easy for you because you're just better at it because you haven't tried it. But if you had the same time and effort put into futures, you'd be just as good. I feel like a good trader can trade both crypto and futures, or like all three of them. They can trade like all the markets, forex in as well.
So in futures, which is the best asset to trade?
NQ and yes, both. You
Yeah.
trade both. It's just US. It's
NQ,
like you trade NQ, yeah, and yes, which is like S&P 500,
this one,
and you trade, yeah,
futures CME.
If you
Yeah,
wanted to
yeah,
pick
exactly.
one, I would tell you to just pick ES because that'd be like
No,
the
you should just do
Bitcoin.
both because you're good with SMTs, bro, and SMTs are
Yeah,
from futures.
yeah.
So you'd use SMTs for both NQ and ES, and you'd trade them both like Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's not
Oh,
an inverse like I forgot how is it called, the inverse to futures. I think it was DAX.
Dixie, the
Yeah, I think Dixie.
DXY,
Yeah,
yeah, the
yeah,
dollar
yeah, yeah. That's the
index.
inverse. If you wanna look at that as well, but like it's enough if you just watch ES and NQ and use SMTs on these like you'd use them on Bitcoin and ETH, and you'd be good at it.
oh yeah, I do. So if I
And the
only trade
Kindles,
S&Ps, I can win.
bro, yeah, use your normal levels that you have on crypto, trade SMTs, don't rush into taking trades, and you're going to win. But be careful because
Okay.
NQ, like, what's different is like crypto, it's made for beginners in a way, because the risk management, which is the most important part, as you know, it's way harder
I
to
think.
manage on futures because you have contracts. You
Oh,
cannot choose your direct
Dollars.
size. You
Yeah.
can go like the lowest you can go is like one contract, and that you cannot go lower than that.
one.
And that
So
one
how much is one
contract, it's big.
contract?
So one contract on what you're looking at, it's on NQ, it's $5. So basically, every tick you get, your price moves $5. So if you get the range tool
Mm-hmm.
and you
So which two?
pull, like you can get a measure tool, that one as well, and just measure down. Okay, you have 500, right? You see minus 500. No, so if you long short basically one contract there, you'd get 500 multiplied by 5. So you'd make 2.5k if the price gets there.
Oh,
So
whoa,
you
whoa,
understand what
whoa,
I'm saying?
whoa.
You
Or
cannot go lower
lose.
than that.
Or
Only if you trade
lose.
micros, but it's the
Oh,
same thing, yeah. And you lose the same amount. So it's way harder to manage risk management on futures. This is like what you have to get used to, not really the trading part, quote unquote.
so isn't it a scam if you can't go lower than one contract?
Well, they have micros, so
They have micros where
they have
one
micros where
contract is,
it's a tenth of a mini.
yeah. So basically, you can go with micros, which we are doing because we want to manage it better. And 10 micros is like one of what you're looking at. So it's 0.5 instead of $5. And you can go lower, but like it's still harder to trade because you cannot just go and choose the exact amount that you want to trade.
Fuck. I mean, if I had to trade this, like, how would I trade this? Let's go on 5 minute.
Yeah.
So what's the best five? What's the best time frame to trade this?
All of them, bro. You can look at all of them. You
Yeah.
lose like you can use like the basic ones. 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, 30. It's usually you go like on 1 minute to get the entries because like
Yeah.
you have
I
contract and you
can
have to have your stop as low as possible.
I can tell you that I would have entered here 100% break and then SFP
Yeah.
on this
And you can TP on
distribution.
the low right there when you get close because
Yeah,
that would be,
that's gonna
if you get the range tool, get the range tool and measure that where you'd have entered to the TP.
here.
What is that? That's 200. Okay, so on one contract that would be like 1k. So you could TP 1k there.
Oh,
Raven's like,
And
damn.
if you go with like, let's say you go 5 contracts, because that wouldn't be that big of a size for you, you'd have $5,000 and measure that the
oh,
same entry. Measure the same entry
in 2
to your stop
hours?
loss. Measure your
In
stop loss,
two...
please.
Okay, my stop loss would be like, oh my god, like super
That's like
tight.
50. Yeah, that's like 50 ticks, right? So you'd get for 5 contracts, not one. You'd risk
So
a
wait, wait, wait,
thousand
wait,
and
wait,
you'd win
wait, wait.
five.
So wait. This is a
Yeah.
4 hour trade. So if I had
Yes.
put like $1,000, I would have made like $4,000 here.
Yes.
That's easy then.
Yeah.
But
But
that's too much
that's
noise.
well, that's how it moves,
There
man.
is a lot of noise.
That's just because it's the end of the session. You have to take in consideration sessions because there's
Yeah.
the end. You wouldn't be able to trade that because the market closes and you cannot trade it anymore. So that's why you get the noise.
Oh,
But if you see the same setup during the day, like for our time, because you're the same time zone as I am, if you get it
yeah,
in the
yeah.
morning till like 8, 9 p.m., you'd get normal volume.
Okay,
But you cannot
okay.
really trade the nights only if it's 2, 3 a.m. for you when Asia opens.
Hmm.
But you don't have volume like on every Asia open. You get volume on every NQ open. I mean, not NQ,
Yeah.
New York open.
So you mark like order blocks, the same as you mark in crypto market.
Yes, I do exactly that.
Fair value gaps too.
And you use fair value gaps, bro. You use like the vector fair value gaps.
Mm-hmm.
Those work
I
really
do.
good on futures. So you could mark those as well because they work really good, and you'd get the groove. Trust me, if you trade this for like 2 months, you'd be really good at it.
Well, if I just
You're a better
see,
trader than I am, and I'm doing this on futures. You'd be better than me at this.
Alex made a
okay,
1.8 last Friday.
Yeah, I made like 2K last Friday, 1.8.
Mm,
Bro, me and Dak, we've been on profit every day since I started trading.
cooking.
We still need to manage the risk better because we managed to fuck some of the profits. But the thing is, like, we managed to get the right moves. That's what matters more for me because I don't care about the dollar amount. I care like to be right because then I can adjust the risk management and I can tweak it so I can make money. If I'm right, I know I can capitulate on the money. I just need to like refine my execution. And Raven, because the execution is very important, just as the idea of trading, like
oh
where
yeah, I
the
think
price goes.
most of people fucked up when it comes to
Exactly. So that's where I am right now.
executing. Yeah, I get it. I get it. I have been there. I have been there, and I feel you because
So
the
yeah.
the entry model I use for trades are very specific. It's just like Geo. I don't do Mickey Mouse shit if I'm not in profit.
Mm.
So if I'm in profit, then I put like 300,
I mean, I'm
$400
trying to
in
do the
different
same thing on
trades.
futures, but like it takes a while until you get used to the markets because I told you it moves a little bit different because
Yeah,
the
I
moves
can see that.
are. But I like it. I really like futures. So since I'm trading both actively, if I had to only pick one, I would pick futures.
So
Mm.
this is what I'm most afraid of in futures market. You break the low, but then you come up again. Why did it
Yeah,
happen?
but
Because you have
you
to
go on
think of
higher
it as
time frame and you
like a lower
validate.
time frame, like a liquidity sweep
Yeah,
on a
if you
higher
go on a higher
frame.
time frame, that's a sweep.
Okay.
If you break the low and then you move really back inside it, it's probably an SFP, like just a liquidity sweep, because those
Just
happen quite often on futures.
okay, okay, okay. So there is a
Oh,
specific way to trade it.
well, yeah, but it's not very different than what you're doing. Let's say that on futures, the closes, right? You wait for a candle close, are way more important than on crypto.
Oh, okay. That's
So
a
you'd wait
thing
for
that
an actual candle close to break structure.
so one candle is not enough.
Well, I would depends on the time frame, obviously, but if it's like low time frame, I would wait for like 2, 3 candles. Yes.
So even in the crypto market, I wouldn't have shorted this. And the reason for that is whenever I see a model 2 distribution or accumulation, I don't want price to sweep this low.
Yeah.
I really don't. I just want it to come up there, fail this supply, and then go down.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of it.
Mm-hmm.
That supply is getting in control and demand is failing. But when you sweep this or get a close, that there is always a high possibility that you're gonna come up there again.
Yeah.
Okay, I will give it a try. So you guys live every day?
Yeah. In the morning,
Yes.
bro. Come chill. Now that you're in here, you can pop in whenever you want, bro.
Oh, thanks.
Open invite, brother. That's kind of
Okay.
what happens. I made this separate server for the live streams and stuff, and like Geo's in it, Jabs, Dak, all of us, and then Usually Dak, Alex, and I are live. Jabs has been joining us now that he's back, and Gio will randomly pop in sometimes too. Like we'll just be streaming and Gio will pop in and be like, "What's up?" So yeah,
Okay, cool then.
show up
I'll give it
whenever
a
you
try.
want. It's usually about this time when we're
You'd be
streaming.
good at it, bro. You know what you should do, Raven? If I would be you, I would just get the live data because it's $7. You have to pay for live data if you want to trade this, and I
What
would
do you
just
mean live
backtest it.
data?
So
you
when
have
you
to get
go
the
into your
CME
subscription on
package.
TradingView, yeah, you have to pay for it. It's like on subscriptions, not here. But I like if you decide to do it, I would show you. You shouldn't pop it now because you're on live, and I don't know, don't leak your informations.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But if you'd want to do it, I would help you with that. You just have to buy like the CMA data because you are not live. You are like 10 minutes behind us. So I'm seeing what's
What?
happening. You're not seeing. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's delayed.
So if I
I'm
if I
all the
open a
way down
position, I
right
will
now.
lose.
You cannot open it if you don't pay for it, even if you want to.
Oh, fuck this shit. What the
Like
hell?
if you click on
Yeah.
mine,
Bro,
like,
you
like-
told me everything but not this?
So look at. Are you on NQ or is that what you're on right now? On your chart?
I was NQ
Yeah.
future
Okay. So
CME.
look at your NQ, and then I'll just go on the 1 minute. Yeah, you can look at your NQ and then switch to my screen and you can see mine.
Yeah, we are lower already. We are taking the low right now.
Okay. I don't have you guys live right now. Let me open this. 1 minute.
But yeah, my point is like it's just $7. You can get the pack, the live data, and then you can forward test it. And before
Yeah,
you
money
buy
is
like
not
the
a
counter or
problem.
anything.
But the
Yeah,
fact
I
that
know, I
you
know.
didn't tell me.
Well, I was gonna
Oh.
tell you if you decided to join, because that's not that important. Like,
Okay, I can see your screen. Oh.
and you should just demo trade it for like a week and see if you like it, because I'm sure you'd be good at it. It's about if you like it or not.
Bro, people want us
Yeah,
to
that's what
stream
I'm looking
Asia.
for. That's what I'm
Alex.
looking for, Raymond. What, Jet?
People want us to stream Asia.
I mean, I think I can hop in because I'm awake most of the
Even.
times. I wouldn't be able to play
So-
daily because it's 2 a.m. for me.
Yeah.
But I would hop in
You know,
sometimes.
if I was trading crypto right now and if I see this, I would
Yeah.
instantly go to USDT and I will see it might have taken the high and BTC has a shifting structure.
Yeah, not
So yeah,
go
this
on
is an
ES, and you
SMT.
can look at that on ES.
Yeah.
It's the same way. Go type ES.
ES.
Eat ass. Whoa,
S.
calm down, Alex. You're freaky
That one, yeah. Now, look
There
at the
you
difference
go.
between these two charts. You can do the thing where you split your screen so you can see it both easily. On the
Oh,
right.
this one I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Split your screen and pull up NQ on the other one. You have to go, yeah, exactly.
Cute.
And now look at the difference on 1 minute, and you're going to see that there is a, like, even on the 15, we have an SMT right now, and that's how you trade it. Like, go high time frame because you're gonna see it. And zoom out a little bit. Yeah, see, we took that high on NQ and we didn't on ES that week. Look.
So when did we put this? 1050?
Oh well, yeah, but I meant the other way because you have one more far to the left. But yeah, it's the same thing.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And even more to the left, bro. Like, look on ES,
29.
even more to the left. You have to take the chart. That's NQ on the other chart. Move it to the left.
There.
That week, that when it just opened, that big red candle.
This one.
That one, yeah. You took it on NQ and you didn't on ES. NQ is above that.
So when did it? 26 October 22.
It's just the opposite. It's that week. Look at that. It's that week there.
There.
Yeah.
This is the week. Wow.
Yeah. So if we
Oh,
take
and we
the
have not
high,
taken the high.
yeah, and if we take the high on NQ again and we form like very bearish SMTs, I would short
Mhm.
the ES, for example, but I would wait for a sign of weakness first.
So when you're shorting or longing, so
You go
you look
to the
for the
leading.
same kind of entries on like you do in crypto,
Yes.
or is it different?
No, I use the same thing.
Yeah. Everything Geo talks about, I use.
Yeah.
Okay then. Maybe I can get my head
But
around it.
you should get the session indicator and make sure you really understand the sessions, because you're going to see liquidity sweep that you don't see on crypto just because of the sessions. Like price, most of the times will
Mm.
sweep liquidity from one session to the other. So you have to be aware of that, because this is the only thing that's way like very different, and that's why I have to get used to it. It's because session actually matter a lot on futures.
So how about this funded account on it on futures? How much
You
does
can
it
get
cost?
Tradify, or it's like $200, bro. It's way cheaper than breakout.
What?
Yeah,
Brother, don't even worry about it. Top step,
yeah, don't worry
get
about
a
it.
50K account. I'll give you 40% off
Bro,
code.
he has 100 on breakout and he's doing fine. He has money. He can get like the 150. It's fine. It's like $200 for 150K.
Yeah, I'm surprised that it's way too
It's
cheap
very
on
cheap.
crypto.
Yeah, the crypto market it's
Bro,
very more expensive.
let's see. Yeah, the breakout accounts are way more expensive than
Bro,
futures.
all the props, because
Oh,
you
okay,
have the
okay,
other prop for crypto as well, and they're
okay.
both
Boys,
expensive.
listen. So
Yeah,
if I buy an account, what's my drawdown? My daily drawdown and my full drawdown.
6%.
Yeah,
It depends
Okay,
on
it's the
the
same like it's
prop
the
it
firm.
same like
depends.
so
It
it's
depends on the
almost the
prop
same
firm,
like
but
the crypto
yes,
market.
yes,
Bro,
Maximum 5 to 6%.
if you want to try
yeah.
this shit with no risk, this is what I would recommend. I know Dak and Alex are on
Oh,
Tradify. I'm still on Top Step, but I can give you a code for 40% off. You can buy a 50K account for literally $30, and then just try it out. You have a $2,000 drawdown limit, and you need 3,000 to get funded. 3,000 profit.
I think I can pass it. I
Yeah,
think I can
easy.
pass it.
You can pass it
Maybe.
in as short as 2 days. The rule is you can't have more than 50%
You
of
have
your
more rules
profits
than
in one
crypto,
day.
by the way. You have to
Okay.
understand you have more rules when it comes to payouts and stuff, but it's easy. It's not
Yeah,
something
it's pretty
hard.
simple though. So like to get funded, you need $3,000 profit, and you can't have more than 50% in one day. So you have to break it up
Yeah.
into two trades on 2 days. And then once you're
Wow.
funded, you just need 5 non-consecutive days of $150 profit. So you just have to make $150 5 times. And then after that, you can request 50% of your account balance, whatever you've made.
So basically, you can get paid every 5 days.
Bro, that's
Yeah.
But
gay.
Yeah.
yeah, it's not as easy on breakout because you can request payouts anytime. But trust me, for the money that you're paying, you can make really good money with futures prop
Yeah,
funds,
I
bro.
mean,
Because
dude,
you
it's
pay
$30
$200, you
risk.
don't pay $1,000. You pay like $1,000 on 100K. We pay $150 for it. So
Yeah.
when you get one account, we can have 5.
And then
So you
that's where you
just
start making money. So they let you buy more than one account at once. So like how in
yeah, I
breakout
get it, bro.
you can't have more than one
Yeah, you can
combine.
pass one eval, like
I
5
have
evals in the same
Yeah,
time.
you can have more. Yeah, you can have more than one eval, and if you get the same account, you can copy trade yourself.
Yeah,
So
and you
like you
trade all
can,
the 5 accounts in the same
yeah,
time.
you can build up. And let's say you make like $1,000 a day, 5 days, right?
Yeah.
So you have 5,000 in your account balance, but let's say so you can withdraw 2,500. But let's say that you have 4 accounts now. Okay, well now you're withdrawing 10 grand,
Yeah.
and you
Bro,
only
you can
have
Okay,
get
a
it's not that bad.
120. You
personally,
only have
I think you can get
$120 worth of
easily
accounts.
1 million prop firm accounts.
I can tell you that when it comes to payout, the situation is bad.
What do you mean?
That what?
You need to have like 4 consecutive
It's not
$150
consecutive,
trades.
bro. It's not
No, it's not
consecutive.
consecutive. It's
Okay.
non-consecutive. You just
It's
need
just
5
yeah, it's
total.
just 5 days. Yeah,
Like after you have 5
Oh,
profitable days over 150, you can request a payout.
yeah.
okay, I can do that. I
Yeah,
can do
they
that
don't have
maybe.
to be in a row.
So let me explain the whole theory behind it. It's for you to not have one good trade and take their money away. It's for you to be a consistent trader because most people are not consistent. And that rule basically just splits them up into the ones who can get payouts, and a lot of people won't be able to get payouts because of the consistency rule. But if you're a consistent trader, that is not a problem because it's like
Yeah.
you trade 5 days anyway, and
But
you
if
can
you're a
get like
gambler, that's a
uh,
big
yeah,
problem.
if you're a gambler and you can get like $100, you get an account and you full port something and you make 40K, they're not gonna let you withdraw that. But if you're consistent and
Oh,
you are an actual trader, you don't have a problem.
And the idea is if you're a
okay.
gambling trader and you get lucky and make 40K, when you gamble again, you're just as likely to
Yeah, they're
lose that
gonna reject your
40K.
payout.
Yeah,
Well,
I
I
get, I
Yeah,
mean,
get, I get the
yeah, and by
point
the
why
time
they
you get to
do that.
5, your money's probably gone if you're not trading correctly. Like you've
Okay,
probably
that
blown
makes
your
sense.
account.
That makes sense.
so if you really choose to like want to decide this, you can text me anytime and I'll stay with you and I'll explain the rules like while you do it because it's gonna be easier when you see it happen.
Yeah, definitely,
Like I'm down to
definitely.
help you, but
I need somebody
yeah, I think
to
it's easy, bro.
mentor me.
I
Uh-huh.
texted you the
How about
40%
you give
off
it a
code
try?
for Top Step.
Oh, thanks, man.
So you can literally get a 50K for $30 just to try it,
I'm gonna buy it today.
Cause like, fuck,
I'll buy it.
it's $30. Who gives a fuck? That's worth the shot. Like that's so little risk. Like even if you blow it, you lost $30. Like
I think the risk is like very low.
yeah, that's why I like fund it. I'm not even risking my
Is
own
it just
money.
on Top Step? Like, is that always on Top Step? The
That's the code that they gave out from Top Step being down on Friday with the Amazon Web Service stuff.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I used it to get another 100K, and then I sent it to my friend who was opening one last night and it worked for him. So it's one per person. So like per account, you can use that code once to get a 40% off. So it should work for you, Raven.
I think it will work for me, but it will take me a month or so to get used to it.
Yeah, I think so too. But it's still
But
fun,
I
bro.
think
I'm doing the same thing.
so. It's just in and out. I can't hold trades in it.
You cannot hold over the day, no.
Yeah, it'll
Mm.
Like
close
by the
you
end of the
when
day,
it
you have to
closes.
close them.
Yeah.
But you're a good scalper, so you're gonna do fine. Like you're a good trader in general. I don't think you'd have a problem with it.
Yeah, I think you'll be fine, brother. I
I will
think you'll
do it a
kill it.
try.
Bro, I'm doing decent, and I learned a lot of the concepts from you, so you're gonna be fine.
Oh, cool then. Cool then, bro.
Yeah, like I'm on profit, and I just started like last week, and I got used with
Oh,
everything. Like I understand the rules and everything. Now it's just about like me getting used to the PA and the entries, because I still fuck up my entries sometimes. But like you know, that's like it takes time, both on crypto and futures and everything. But yeah, in a
yeah.
month I'll be fine as well. So you can get started. In a month you'll be doing great.
I think it takes a lot of time in crypto market than other markets, like futures or gold or some stuff. I have seen people trading gold with just simple support and resistance stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
And imagine that if you get like 5 accounts, you can get like $500,000, right?
Half
Yeah.
a million dollars. Oh my
Yeah, and
god.
in
Worth of accounts. Yeah. I think I'm at
worth
like
of funded accounts. So if you
with
get
all
like
my accounts through all markets, I'm at like 210 right now.
Wow.
So like I've
yeah,
got 200K on um Top Step, and then I've got that 10K breakout.
So you have 200K account.
funded, yeah.
So
Yeah.
how much the funded one? How much you think you can make in 1 month?
Bro, you can make crazy
Um
amounts of money. You
yeah.
can make like
So
5% a week, it's easy.
I'll just for an example. So on my combine, to pass my funded account, I had 10 trading days and I made 6,000 in 10 days of
Wow.
trading.
On one account. If you have
Yeah,
five,
one
that's five
account.
times the money.
Yeah.
6K? Bro, I need
Yeah,
to get into
6K.
this shit.
Bro, imagine that if you get 5 accounts, like I'm telling you to, right? You can make 5% a week easily. That's $25,000 a week, and you can make that
Oh,
easily. Like that's easy, and you're gonna make like $100,000 a month, and you'd be able to withdraw that like 50% of that every 5 days. So you can make like like in payouts, right? I'm talking payouts. You can easily make 30-40K a month in payouts with $500 funded accounts.
And here's the thing:
I think
people
the main
sometimes
reason.
complain about the 50% rule, but it's like at the end of the day, it's still a paper account. Like they're not giving you real money. So for them to pay you
Yeah.
They're
out
cheap.
100%, like that's a lot of money out of their pocket. And for
Bro,
me,
and
my
if you're good,
risk
you're
is
gonna
so
get the
little.
100, bro.
Bro, it's like who
You
gives a
get,
fuck?
but if you're good, you get the 100%.
Yeah. I mean,
Because
bro.
on top of that, so if you personally, Jet, if you get 5 payout, you're moving to the live account, and you're
Yeah.
not getting 50% anymore.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, I get
I'm
it. I
already
get this now.
almost towards my first payout. I'm trying to make 3
So you
banger
guys,
trades this week, and then I'm taking a payout.
you guys do live every day from Monday to
Yes,
Friday, I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, I
yes,
will join you guys from tomorrow. I will join live
Bet.
and see what's going on. Then maybe I will get a grasp of things from your live sessions.
Yeah. Come in here and chill
All
with
right.
us. You don't even have to be in the chat. You could be in here. You can go
yeah.
over your
Oh, thank you
Bitcoin
then.
stuff
Thank
too.
you.
Yeah. Stream with us.
And you can prepare like Bitcoin charts or like crypto charts, and we can share, like you can share your screen and like give some setups to the people that
Yeah.
are watching
Because I
if you
always
want.
like when
Like
Alex
it's
does
easy.
that because I don't even chart Bitcoin that much. So, and people ask about it. So it's good to have some people that are actually charting Bitcoin in here.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
And then there's
Raven, are you
Jabs.
leaving?
Yeah,
Jabs.
I'm about to end stream. I got a dip.
Oh,
This is a
Raven,
shorter one today.
I was gonna ask you,
What's up?
can you give me a video that I could watch on like where you're from? Or like,
Maybe I can find it on YouTube. Maybe.
I'm not saying like your crib. I'm just saying like the city.
No. The city.
Yeah.
I can show you Lahore city.
Lahore.
Just search Lahore city, Pakistan. You will see.
Is there anything that anybody wants to say, shout out, anything you want to talk about before I end stream?
I will
Shout out
start
to me,
posting
man.
videos as well this week probably, but yeah, we're gonna see about that. I'm going
Shout
to
out
make
to me.
reviews.
Hell yeah. Shout out to you, Raven, for joining. It's nice having you. Show up anytime, brother.
Thanks, man.
Jabs, anything you want to say? Shout out Stitch.
Yeah. Shout out my boy. Free my boy. Nah, I don't know.
All right.
All right. Take it easy.
Yep,
Goodbye,
later,
everybody.
y'all.
All right.
Listening to 'em all night. Oh, here we go again. I'm not feeling the same. Emotions switch up back and forth, can make a big mistake. I hate feeling alone, cut 'em off to ease the pain. But all in all, just being honest, I've been going through it all day. Going through it all day. Going through it all day. I hate feeling alone, cut 'em off to ease the pain. I hate feeling alone.